Total, average and marginal revenue curves and price elasticity. Marginal curve and its relation with total and average curves. The change in total revenue in response with the sale of the extra unit is called marginal revenue. That is, the newer total revenue values are subtracted with the values of previous sales. As we know that total revenue increases slowly as quantity increases, because for larger quantities in monopolistic conditions, the price rates eventually decreases. Graphically, we will measure the slope of any smooth curve by drawing tangents at different points. Here, the sloping pattern of the total revenue curve determines the marginal curve and the steepness of its slope. The marginal revenue values are always lesser than the average revenue values in monopolistic situations. Thus, the marginal curve lies always below the average curve. Marginal revenue and price elasticity of demand. The price elasticity of demand is more than 1 when the marginal revenue value is positive, and it gets lesser than the unit value when the marginal revenue values are negative. We can say that demand curve is elastic when the quantity is less than 10 units and the marginal revenue values are also positive. Short-run equilibrium of the monopoly firm. In the monopoly firm, every quantity produced is meant for sale, where at the level of distinct output, where the total revenue is maximum, the profit of the firm becomes also highest there. In this way, in monopoly firms, the total revenue area can be shown by the rectangle having the area of product of demand or average revenue value and the quantity produced. But in the case of perfectly competitive markets, where many firms are being operative, there the equilibrium happens at gradually decreasing prices